For Enkabomuko Christian Council of Ghana, no mumpedin for Wadom Apa Fee annual counseling program no eho ent when it median was no and empedin for 82% ka awade achikrano e wosanka wafo no to na monko wo mu a eye awade mu hwehwemu to hofo meche ye marital counselors no na se wo manu hia wo mu awade gya ye koso bebrebe no eto obetumi atwa.
Joyce Steiner, Director of Programs and Advocacy, Christian Council Ghana. What they are to just say, Enfang say, Manfo Ebewaria, one pre-marital counseling, and who be here say, one wari nas work what's an wari ni monswa, obey marital counseling, yes, I say, and ya may be one atsina bumunu, and a bed, ye, who be here say, what do one befa counseling moon, said the beya, BBC wari ni mua, and ya one. What the son say me to Jawa bra, a Fibia counseling program, Christian Council of Ghana. No, what dia feed no a baby ye
encouraging and sorry say couples ministries no and a single ministry no omunye programs in mawomo no omonka niama bema stress about marriage nemo enchire wom omuye sa then obi be wo a obeba be hu say me wo financial problem ana me wo sex problem ana me wo cooking problem, and then you can offer the help. Until we need to present that holistic kind of counseling to the church. We have paid a lot of attention. We have books, manuals for premarital. We don't have for marital. So it is one of the things that in the next year we will do to develop manuals for churches.
Manphobia, sa counseling program yi, woko bi a wode wono ma desua abawiye no. Ene ya mane boni twetwe nkomo a nimdia wanya no, wode tudwa.
Also enhance on my knowledge and my skills. Yes, I've been married for quite a number of years, about 14 years now. And by the grace of God, yes, I have the experience. But sometimes when you are counseling someone, you need to have the knowledge and what actually the book says and the theory so that you can